Sesame oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. Here are the top 10 benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, helping to combat free radicals in the body. It boosts heart health, as it is high in healthy fats that promote better cholesterol levels. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation and aid in joint and muscle health. It is great for skin, moisturizing, and helping to prevent UV damage. It improves hair health by adding shine and strength while nourishing the scalp. It supports bone health, being packed with calcium and zinc to strengthen bones. It aids digestion, helping to improve gut health and digestion. It balances blood pressure, as it may help regulate blood pressure naturally. It boosts oral health, being used in oil pulling to improve gum health. Lastly, it is rich in nutrients, full of essential vitamins and minerals that benefit your body. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine.